Health benefits of guava fruit and guava leaves. Guava is quite popular in Asian countries, but it is becoming more widely available in the Western world as more of its health advantages become known. The fruit is round or pear-shaped, with a pale green, yellow, or maroon exterior and white or maroon flesh containing numerous small, hard edible seeds. When fully ripe, it has a creamy texture and a fragrant, musky scent. Guava is a great fruit because of its multiple health-promoting characteristics, in addition to its distinct flavor and scent. Guava trees' bark and leaves, in addition to the fruit, have several health benefits. Guava is unique in that it does not necessitate the use of enormous amounts of chemical pesticides, like grapes, apples, and other so-called exotic fruits do. It is one of the least sprayed and chemically treated fruits. Here are a few of guava's surprising and wonderful health benefits. Controls diabetes. Guava has long been used in Chinese medicine to treat diabetes. Guava has a high fiber content and a low glycemic index, making it ideal for diabetics. While fiber helps to maintain blood sugar levels, the low glycemic index prevents a sugar rise. Eating 1 to 2 guavas without the peel can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. 2. Improves your immunity. Guava helps to boost your immunity thanks to its high vitamin C concentration. Furthermore, guava's anti-inflammatory properties and capacity to block inflammatory chemicals like prostaglandins aid in illness prevention. To develop resistance to common ailments such as coughs, colds, and the flu, eat 1 guava each day. You can also eat guava in smoothies or salads, or drink guava leaf tea on a daily basis. 3. Improves heart health. A 1993 study found that eating guava fruit on a daily basis can help lower blood pressure and blood lipids. This is because it has more potassium, vitamin C, and soluble fiber. Potassium aids in the maintenance of a steady heartbeat and the regulation of excessive blood pressure, while vitamin C maintains the integrity of the small blood vessels. Furthermore, the lycopene included in pink-fleshed guava assists those who eat this fruit on a regular basis minimize their risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Helps to lose weight. Guava is quite beneficial to those who are trying to lose weight. When compared to apples, oranges, grapes, and other fruits, guava, especially raw guava, has significantly less sugar. You won't feel hungry again until the evening if you include a medium-sized guava with your lunch. This is most likely owing to its high nutritional content, which helps to regulate metabolism and facilitate optimal nutrient absorption. 5. Improves eyesight. Guavas are high in vitamin A, which is widely known for its ability to improve visual health. It can aid in the prevention of cataracts, macular degeneration, and eye health in general. It can not only slow down the deterioration of eyesight, but also improve it once it has started to deteriorate. 6. Improves oral health. Guava leaf has anti-plaque qualities that help to prevent and treat mouth issues. To maintain oral cleanliness, herbalists advocate using tender guava leaves, in paste form. The anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antibacterial characteristics of the leaves aid to relieve gum irritation while also leaving your breath fresh and clean. 7. Lowers risk of cancer. Guava's anti-cancer and anti-tumor activities stem from substances such as lycopene, quercetin, vitamin C, and different polyphenols. These molecules are powerful antioxidants that help the body neutralize free radical damage, which can lead to cancer. Guava extract, according to the researchers, may help shrink the size of prostate cancers. In fact, regular use of guava extract has been shown to lower the risk of prostate cancer in men. Guava consumption can also assist to prevent various cancers such as breast, oral, skin, stomach, colon, and lung cancer. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.